What's that?
Good. Do you have the screen protection? I
Privacy?
forgot the name. Yeah.
Privacy, yeah.
Privacy in the other
And
one.
clear.
The clear. Yeah.
Yeah,
To iPhone 17 Pro Max.
yeah. Fingerprints.
Oh, okay, thank you, sir. Actually, you're already open.
You already have? Okay.
Yeah, so yeah.
No worries. Good?
Yeah, thanks.
Card or cash?
Yeah, it'll be
$26.75 whenever you're ready.
okay.
Would you like your receipt?
No problem.
Good. All right, you guys have a good one.
So much. Have a good one.
Bye-bye.